Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share you a new update about GMP. Yeah, this GMP platform you are seeing, they have updated their website. Now it's no longer as you know it before. That's why some of you have been saying they have been contacting the customer service are not replying. It's because they are updating their platform. Yes, guys, please guys, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, most especially those that has GMP account. This video is important, and if you don't have it, you are interested, I will drop the link in the video description, and make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. If you don't know how to register on it, check on my previous videos. There was a video I make on how to register on this GMP and how to set up your real name authentication, with how to set up your withdrawal address, and then how to do your GMP daily tax. Yes, check on my previous video, all of those videos are there. So guys, before we proceed, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe, press the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. If you have any challenges about this app, make sure you comment in the comment section so that I will know, or click the link in the description of my video. You can click my Telegram link, we can communicate there, or click my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp community link is still the same thing. So guys, let's dive in our tutorial. Okay, as I was saying, as you see this GMP, when you click on it, let it load a little bit, you guys will see what I'm talking about. This GMP, they have updated their platform. It's not like you know it before. Yes, it's not like the way you know it before. They have updated it. That's why I'm doing this video to those of you that don't know and you may confuse in doing it. As you can see it, if you log in like this, it will show you a different language. So in order for you to translate it in the language you understand, as for me, I know English. You see this three dot here, click on this three dot. When you click on it, you see where they say translate. Here you are seeing this translate. Click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. So what you need to do next is to, you see this settings arrow, click on it. When you click on it, you see this page is not in Chinese, simplify. So click on it. When you click on it, you cannot choose your language. As for me, I will choose English because English is my language. Click on English. So as you can see now, it now translate into English. I already have an account. I'll come in like this and sign in. So in my previous, if you don't know how to register, check in my previous videos, then come here and change your country code. Check in my previous video, there was a video I did on how to register on it, step-by-step video tutorial. Yes, if you don't know how to register on it, just check on that video description. On that video you will know how to register on it. So guys, I'll be dropping the link in the description of my video. So as you can see here, it's not in as you can see what they wrote here: register for VIP1 mentoring team activities is open for a limited time. For more details, please contact our customer service team. As you can see now, you can now contact their customer service and they will reply you. So press accept. So when you press on accept, you see this place room, this place they have been called hell before. It is hell, not room. So when you click on here, this is where you will do your tax. You see sell, cashier, this and that and that and this. So as you can see here, so you click on do homework, do your homework. As you can see here, do your homework, that's where you do your task. Click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you an interface like this. Accept. Don't come on this TikTok because you will not see anything there. It's only YouTube tax they have. So you click on accept. When you click on accept like this, just watch, oh guys, please kindly watch this video careful. If you don't understand, just come back and watch it again and again and again. Make sure you understand what I'm saying in this video. As you can see here, it's called, you will see open link. When you click this open link, it will take you to the YouTube. You will watch the video for 10 seconds, then like the video, then screenshot the video, come here where you see this three dot and upload the video. When you upload the video, you see this place named deliver. They are calling it submit before, so they change it into deliver. So let me give you a try. Let's see. Click on click on open link. You will see, guys, please just keep watching this video step by step. Don't miss anything in this video. If you miss anything, you will miss the important part. We are going to screenshot. Yes. When you screenshot it, you will go and upload it here. Since I've like it is okay. As you can see, I screenshot it, done. I will click here, come back to my GMP. Guys, you will see it will come back to that language that I translate to English. So you will translate it to English back, or if you don't want to translate it in English for not stressing yourself, since you have understand the tactics on how you do it, you just continue in that language. Since it's not reading, you will be reading. You will just do the tasks and come and go and log out, leave the website. So guys, you can see here, you can see this. Then this where I will upload the image. So click on it, as you are seeing here like this. Let's go on, let it load a little bit. Just be patient, guys. Watch this video from beginning to the end. No, make you not come miss the important part. Please, please and please, guys. I'll beg you on this one, because this one is very important. This thing, you may end up missing your account. Then done. For those of you that are registered, make sure you are doing the tasks. You will not just register on platform and just leave it like that. No, things are not done that way. Then you see this one, that's the submit here, but let me translate it in English. As I said earlier, if you don't understand, check well. You see translation, settings, allow and choose your language. If you know you register on this platform, make sure you have been doing the tasks, so that you accumulate. When you accumulate, then you can now contact the customer service. When you accumulate, make sure you invite your friends, your families, your loved ones, so that you reach 10 10 10 referral. Then you can now contact the customer service. Guys, please, this one is very important. If something come new like this is the option you have to gain our own. Yes. So we are done with the tax center, so we'll come to this one. So guys, if something come new like this, please guys, kindly do well. Just do your strength. Make sure you use your strength on it. When you use your strength, so that you will make a lot of money. This is something that will waste your data. This thing is 4 to 5 minutes, you are done. You will not even reach 5 minutes. Yes, I'm very sure. Then you see this mine, you come on this mine here, click on it. You will not even reach up to how many minutes you will finish. So I don't know why some of you are wasting time. So you see this configuration. Before it was called set, it is called set. So if you want to set up your withdrawal address automatically, so that when you come to withdraw, you will just click on it. No need of you wasting time. just click on it. None of you go to your wallet and copy it. You just click on it. You see here it is where you put your address, USDT address. As you can see, I put my TRC20. So we are going back again. So guys, please do well. This way you set up your real name authentication. So guys, you see this tax, come here in this tax. When you did tax and the tax you did not submit it, you understand, when you did a tax and you did not submit it, when you come back to the website, the tax has already disappeared. You see this in process. This is where you click here in process. You see this under review is the one that you have submitted. You see I've submitted the one I did the tutorial. This is the one I submitted in process. This is the one you enter. So guys, I think that's all for now. Please guys, kindly do well. Do well. Yes, try no matter how. Try and register on this platform. It's legit. People have been making money on it. If you are doubting, okay, let me show you. You will see how people have been making massive money on this platform. Yes, it's not something of go come. Yes, see here, see this place, see how people have been earning on it. Just check every day. Just check, check from 3 so one day earning. Just check. This 30, this 20. Just check this 21. Just every day. Once you just make your $200 and you reach 10 referrals and you contact customer service, they will upgrade you to VIP1. Yes, when they upgrade you to VIP1, you will now have access to withdraw at any time. Once you upgrade to VIP1, you can now upgrade withdraw at any time, and you can withdraw with any amount. So once you accumulate and reach the amount in your mind, you can use that amount and withdraw. No need of you contacting customer service again. When you are in VIP0, that's how you will contact the customer service. But mind you guys, when you reach $200, if you contact the customer service, they will remove $100. That is the one they will use and upgrade you to VIP1. So your remaining balance will remain $100. That's the one you will withdraw. Don't be don't put it in your mind that you will withdraw $200 for the first time. Yes, you will withdraw $100. They will remove $100 and upgrade you to VIP1. So once you accumulate and they upgrade you, once when you want to withdraw, they will not remove anything from you again. So you just withdraw your money. Bam. That's all. Thank you. The link, I will drop the link in the description of the video. If you have any problem, comment in the comment section. If you see I don't reply you in time, just use my WhatsApp community link or Telegram community link. But mind you, don't chat me on WhatsApp, because my WhatsApp community link, that's where I've been dropping some videos. It's not everything you drop on YouTube. So if I drop any video like that on YouTube, they did not accept it, I'll drop it on my WhatsApp community link, on my WhatsApp community group. So my Telegram community link, that's where you will chat me. If you want to chat me, you chat me on my Telegram community. Yes guys, kindly do well, subscribe, press notification button. Anytime I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you guys.